Hey everybody, as you can see, I got the trunk off, or the Tour-Pak, and I'm gonna have to repair this. I got a couple cracks here, 1, 2, and this one has a huge crack that goes all the way down. Well anyway, we'll put this on hold for now. I got this off yesterday. It took some time to get everything disconnected and taken off. The only thing I'm probably not going to take off is the rear lights. It appears that everything is actually silicone in place. So I don't know if I want to go through the trouble of cutting the silicone and trying to get these off of here. Alright, here's the piece that we painted, or I painted. Neon green. I'm actually happy with it. It looks really good. It's just 3 coats of green. It's been drying for over 2 days now. So what I'm going to do now is, because I'm using black also on this, I'm going to go ahead and tape off the area that I want to paint black. I am going to go ahead and sand this with 1000 grit real quick so the paint will stick to it, and then I'll get you know, this dust and stuff off of here. Clean it with a degreaser / wax remover, and then we'll be ready for spray paint once I get everything taped off. Alright, now that everything's clean, ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and spray it with black stainless steel. I gave it 3 coats, and remember, I'm doing this outside in the driveway. I don't have a controlled environment. There might be some dust, some specks, shit will get on this, so I'll have to actually sand it down to get a good finish. But overall, I'm kind of liking that metallic black. I want it dry, and we'll see what that looks like. All right, I'm gonna drill a hole in this so this doesn't continue to crack. So the purpose of that is drill it at the bottom of the crack, and it won't crack any further than that. Now what I've already done is I've taken the inside and reinforced it with epoxy and a metal screen. What I'm going to do on the outside, since this is fiberglass, I'm going to take some fiberglass resin and try to get this to just hold back in place. Alright, I'll let that dry. What do you think? I don't know if I like it or I don't like it. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do a gold pinstripe all around where the gray meets the green. A thick line and then a thin line. I don't know how to pinstripe with paint, so I'm just going to use some pinstripe tape before we go any further. So this is going to have to dry for like at least a day, 24 hours. And then I'll come back and you know, we'll do the rest.